always enjoy dropping in on the comms for a listen.
Yes, we do. So prepare your ears for the sounds of the game that you don't normally get to hear. It's time for Mic Check.
Making my way downtown. Making my way into the lobby.
If we go 2-0, I'm buying new shoes.
Buy what?
I think you should buy new shoes anyway.
Oh,
I think so too. Honestly, you need new shoes.
No, dude, it's gonna go in the montage thing after.
Nope. Nah, they don't show coaches. No. Nah. You're over exaggerating. Nah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're the star player of our team.
Impaler.
It's not Chris with his massive 43 KDA.
He's the Cali Trolls of our team.
Back off. Keep backing off. Just gonna get out.
I can ulti.
I have value.
Right there.
Nice shot.
Yeah, baby!
Kill him. Get him up.
I have
Nice.
Nice.
What? Holy shit.
Oh my god, shit.
What happened?
I don't know. He ulted backwards. They're probably cheering because he did. And nice try.
Best flash.
Blink, don't die! Blink, I got you!
I got it.
It is!
Trash. Gnar.
I killed Tristana!
No block! Care.
Let's end!
Nice! We won that, guys! We won that! Yes!
Wow, that's a